Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideaplex, your go-to channel for all things tech and productivity. Today, we're diving into Ninja Chat AI, an AI-powered chatbot platform that's revolutionizing how businesses communicate with their customers. Ever felt overwhelmed by repetitive customer queries or missed out on potential leads because your team was too busy? Well, Ninja Chat is here to save the day. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up, navigate, and make the most of Ninja Chat's powerful features. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone curious about AI chatbots, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Ninja Chat? It's an AI-driven chatbot platform designed to help businesses automate customer interactions, generate leads, and streamline communication. Ninja Chat uses advanced natural language processing to create human-like conversations, making it perfect for industries like e-commerce, healthcare, and even education. Did you know that businesses using chatbots like Ninja Chat have seen up to a 30% increase in customer engagement? That's a game changer. Write, create, and chat with the world's best AI tools, all in one place. Save over $600 a year compared to buying separate subscriptions. You get the benefits of all the best AI products in one place for one price. Enhance your writing with suite of AI-powered tools. Unlock insights from your documents in seconds. Save hours of reading time. Access cutting-edge AI models for any task. Chat with PDFs. Compose AI music, generate images, and more. Create stunning visuals in seconds. Bring your ideas to life instantly. Generate comprehensive mind maps instantly. Organize your thoughts effortlessly. People love Ninja Chat because it saves people money and time. Ninja Chat AI supercharges your productivity with powerful AI assistance across all your work. It's often used for tasks like answering FAQs, booking appointments, or guiding users through processes. No need to juggle multiple subscriptions. This platform does it all. With over 240,000 plus users worldwide, it's trusted by students, researchers, and businesses for tasks like writing, brainstorming, and even generating AI-powered images and music. Now let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial so you can start using Ninja Chat like a pro. First things first, head over to www.ninjachat.ai and click on Sign Up. You can register using your email, Google, or social accounts for quick access. Take a moment to explore the dashboard. It's your command center for everything Ninja Chat. Ready to move on? Let's navigate the interface. Here's what you'll see after logging in: a clean, user-friendly dashboard. On the left, you'll find the main menu with options like chatbots, integrations, and analytics. The center of the screen displays your active chatbots and their performance metrics. Clicking on any chatbot will take you to its settings, where you can customize responses, triggers, and more. Also, don't forget to tweak your profile settings for a personalized experience. You can adjust language preferences, AI response styles, and integrations with other platforms. The best part? You can switch between AI models on the fly. So if ChatGPT isn't giving the right response, try Claude or Gemini instantly. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Ninja Chat's interface is designed to be intuitive. Spend a few minutes exploring and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Now, let's dive into the fun part. Using Ninja Chat's key features. AI writing tool. Need help drafting an email, blog, or social media post? Just type your request and Ninja Chat generates high-quality content instantly. Chat with PDFs. Upload a document and interact with it like a conversation. Great for researchers and students. AI image generation. Create stunning visuals with just a few text prompts. Perfect for designers and marketers. Another standout feature is integrations. Ninja Chat seamlessly connects with tools like Slack, WhatsApp, and even your CRM. This means you can manage all your customer interactions in one place. Running into issues? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. One common challenge is chatbots not responding as expected. Double check your triggers and responses to ensure they're set up correctly. Now let's explore the pricing plans NinjaChat.ai offers to cater to various user needs. Each plan is designed to provide access to their suite of AI tools, ensuring you get the best value for your requirements. Starter plan price $9 per month, billed yearly. Pro plan price $18 per month, billed yearly. Expert plan price $25 per month, billed yearly. All plans are billed yearly, offering a 30% savings compared to monthly billing. These flexible pricing options ensure that whether you're just starting out or need advanced features, NinjaChat.ai has a plan that fits your needs. For more details and to choose the plan that's right for you, visit their pricing page. And that's a wrap. We covered how to set up your account, navigate the interface, explore powerful AI tools, and troubleshoot issues. Now it's your turn. Go explore NinjaChat AI and see how it can enhance your workflow. NinjaChat is a powerful tool that can save you time, boost customer satisfaction, and grow your business. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to www.ninjachat.ai and give it a try. Check out the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below sharing your favorite NinjaChat feature. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.